Yeah. No cap, we back.
No cap, we back.
No cap. No cap.
You're watching JU Nation Fishing.
Fish on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. No cap, we back.
No cap, we back.
Hi family and friends, this is JU. I'm gonna go fishing tomorrow. The last video I showed you how I created the little mini urban worm container. So now I'm gonna have to get some for tomorrow's trip to catch bait. So this is an empty container, right? So I'm gonna get prepared. So now, what's cool about this is it's so small, I don't have to dig very deep, see? I just open this up and I wanna dig for some worm for tomorrow's trip. And look at all this worm here, guys. Whoa, bunch of them here. See? See that? And I don't need too many because, you know, we're only catching like two bluegills to use as bait, right? So all I need is a couple of these guys here. I'll just dig it up. See? And I'm ready for tomorrow's trip. And see how they can't run very far, right? Because this is very shallow. See how shallow this is? I have to just dig this and they can't go very far, see? And that's probably all I need for tomorrow's trip. And tomorrow when I go out there, I'm going to show you how I'm going to bait them up on my hook. All right, follow along.
Yeah. No cap, we back.
No cap, we back.
Hey family and friend, this is JU and we are going to be striper fishing today. We're a little bit late to start right now. It is 8:30. We're going to look for bait. And you guys saw the night crawler or the red worm I got last night. We're going to go look for bait and I'm going to be fishing with my brother Captain Chris and my brother Andrew. And I'm going to take you guys along with us, see how it goes. It looks kind of windy right now. And we're launching out of Rio Vista.
No cap. No cap. No cap. Yeah, no cap. Fog on the delta, bass in the track. Sunrise glow while the river stay wild. JU Nation fishing, yeah, we living that style. Big wave moving, drifting through the tide. Ride like it's loaded, got the crew outside. Sacramento Delta.
Right, there's Captain Chris right there. And there's Andrew right here. We're gonna catch fish today, Andrew?
Sure. No fish, no go home.
Okay, there you go. Right now, Chris? No fish, no going home?
Yep.
Okay. All right, guys, follow along with us.
Where the giants still high, we hunt river monsters. All gas, no brakes, let's ride. Early morning ground, throw the bait tank in. Tryna load bluegill like we stacking for a win. Pike minnow, split tails, whatever gon' swim. Sacramento Delta, yeah, the river stay lit. Flooded dock lunch, muddy boots, cold breeze. Big weight, rolling underneath the trees. Little rise for bait, big sticks for beasts. Heavy drag setup, when the monsters wanna eat, circle back twice. We ain't rushing, no pressure. River talk different when you chasing big predators. Eyes on the grab, birds dive low. One hit on the line, make the whole boat explode from experience. We know they grow gigantic, big one. Hard pull, make your whole arm twitch. Brace your feet, don't lose that grip. That's a river monsters, trying to sink that ship. River monsters, yeah, river monsters. Reel it up, drag screaming pride. River monsters, yeah, river monsters. Big belt stripers underneath that water. River monsters, yeah, river monsters. Line peeling fast, whole crew get louder. We out here hunting for them river monsters. Bluegill, pike minnows, split tails too. Any one of them baits get a striper to move. Delta candy, yeah, the monsters can't resist. Live bait swimming, got the whole crew lit. Big rods ready, thumb heavy on the spool. Whole boat vibing, everybody stay cool.
Here's how we get our bait this time. We didn't have to use a bait.
I'll tell you later on, but I'm not
We catch bait right there, guys. Good buddy. Share some nice bait with us today.
Turn, push hard, middle Rio Vista bridge, sun crack go while we drift through the mist. Every cash gamble, every bump feel real. Could be weeds, could be 40-pound steel. Laughs on deck while the coffee stay hot. Stories getting told while we work these spots. Different days, same dream we chase. Big stripe of ghosts underneath them waves. River stay humble, gotta earn your place. reel it up. Knuckles getting bust. River monsters, yeah, river monsters. Big head shakes, got that whole boat jump. River monsters, yeah, river monsters. Track bark loud, like a V8 muffler. We out here hunting for them river monsters.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Yeah. Fish on, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
No, you don't do that. What? Move anywhere.
Oh, man.
You move anywhere.
Dang. Listen. Oh, no, it's on still. It's on, I think. It's on. I think it's on. Set up.
No.
Set up.
Is it?
Yeah, it's on. It's on.
Sure.
Yeah, it's on. It's on. It's on. Yeah, still. He swallowed it. Yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, I thought I lost it, man. Yeah, baby. It's on. Yeah. Woo! It's on, baby. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, that's a big one. Yeah.
Gee, you
Wow. The hammer. Bam, bam.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Woo. Got it. Oh my goodness, I thought I lost it.
Yeah.
Wow, look, that's a big one too.
Let me leave it.
Yeah, look
Let me leave
at
the thing.
that.
That's so funny.
Big wave moving, drifting through the tide. Ride like it's loaded, got the crew outside. Sacramento Delta where the giants still high. We hunt river monsters.
All right, family. This is how we bait up the bait to catch a bait. Remember, the night crawlers are really tiny, and we don't need big one because the hooks are very tiny. I think I'm using like size number 14 hook. So you gotta be real careful in threading them in. Take this. I mean, there's no science to it. I just try to get the bait in the hook like that. Go. Nothing really fancy. And that's how we catch a bait, guys. Size 14 hook. Very, very small. A little small weight in the bottom. Throw it out. Yeah. Go. Well, the key to catching bait is you gotta know where the baits are. Hop around if you can't catch a bait till you find them. And I'm just throwing it out. Gonna wait until I get a bite. Got one. Got one. Yeah. Oh, hey, split tail. Got a split tail.
Oh man, the beautiful split tail. Huh?
Got a beautiful split tail.
Beautiful split tail.
Woohoo! Got a bait, baby. Nice bait. Oh, nice bait. Nice bait.
Okay.
Bait. A nice bluegill here, and a 4/0 cow hook. I'm gonna hook it up over here, and I'm going to try a 2-ounce slider right here on this side, and 3 ounce on the other one, and just drop it down the bottom, and we're gonna trip real slowly with the current, and also the outgoing tie. Okay, I'm gonna try something new because the split tail's a bit long. I'm gonna try a double hook on them and see. Got a number 4/0 cow hook right here, and a small trolling treble hook. Some big fish that come by and get that split tail, gonna get a surprise. There you go. This is a 50-pound leader line. Here you go. Okay, double hook set up. Double hook set up. Like I said, the split tail is a little bit long bladed, so I'm gonna just go one hook right here, maybe to the nose. And then maybe to the mouth here, maybe. There you go. And then this, I'm gonna clip it right behind the dorsal fin here. Maybe right here. Here you go, guys. Drop it down, see what happens. All right, today I'm using Boss Hog 1.0 and 2.0 by Meat Hunter Rod.
Big wave moving, drifting through the tide. Ride like it's loaded, got the crew outside. Sacramento Delta where the giants still high.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh, that's fish! That's fish! That's fish, take it easy. There! You got it! You got it! Woohoo! Got it! Look at me, look up! You got it! Woohoo!
Oh shit, no.
What happened? You got it still, right?
No.
What? What do you know?
No.
Cá
I
cái
got
đó
it.
nó
Small.
Get
I
the
got
net!
it small.
cái mấy cái cá cá đó cái tính sau lớn nhỏ là cá.
Get the net!
Oh yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Ooh, take it easy.
On that one. Oh, that's a nice keeper. That's a nice keeper. Bam! Got him! Woo! T-hammer! Bam! Bam!
J.U.
Look at that!
Bam!
Nó là sao?
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at that! It didn't even finish. It didn't swallow it yet. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Ồ, ăn cái đầu phải không?
Look at that.
Ăn
Look
cái
at
đầu
that.
rồi.
Perfect.
On the water so the moves stay free. No clock, no rush on the Delta scene. If they don't bite, still a legend every day. Cause the laughs hit different when your people are straight. Brotherly bond, yeah, deeper than fish. Can't buy moments like this.
What's happening, family and friends? Captain Chris, Andrew, this JU, and we tripped for striper today. We had a hard time looking for bait. Fortunately, in the morning, our friend gave us a couple, but we ran out. We had to go fish for our own bait. It was a rough day for us. Captain Chris missed one, caught one, I got one, and they didn't even want to.
No bite.
Yeah, they didn't prefer Andrew at all. But our friend got the limit 6, for 3 people. So they're there somewhere. It's today they just prefer their boat versus our boat. It's fishing, right? Catching is the bonus. Thank you so much for coming along with us. Until the next time, family. Peace out. Woo! Bam!
With a wish, sun on the water, wind hit slow. Northern California got a magical glow. Catching fish cool, but that ain't the mission. Memories last longer than the competition. One more dip before the daylight ends. River made brothers feel like kids again. Lines still wet, soundtrack slap. Both rock side to side with the tide in back. Talking trash, cracking jokes all day. Delta life, man, we built this way. River monsters, yeah, river monsters. Reel it up, memory makers. River monsters, yeah, river monsters. Sliced up a knot, been a trip, still flight. Sacramento River, California Delta. Catch your fish, just a bonus. Brother.